Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we'll talk about how to unlock Valorant agents fast. In order to unlock an agent, after opening up Valorant, we have to go to Store, and in the agent section we can buy any agent with 8000 kingdom credit. As I have all the agents unlocked, it is not showing here. So how can we unlock agents fast? The best method to unlock agents and getting kingdom credit is Spike Rush. By playing Spike Rush, you can complete your daily and weekly missions. Valorant offers daily and weekly missions that reward experience points as well as kingdom credit. For each daily quest, you get 150 kingdom credit, and there are 4 daily quests every day. So by completing 4 daily quests each day, you can get up to 600 kingdom credits. Spike Rush mode is certainly the most efficient way to grinding kingdom credits. The reasonings are, Spike Rush matches are typically shorter compared to the standard matches. This means you can play more games in a short amount of time, potentially earning more kingdom credits per hour. Spike Rush matches are designed to be fast-paced and action-packed. This can lead to quicker rounds and faster credit accumulation compared to slower-paced game modes. Since matches are shorter and more intense, players who are looking to grind credit but have limited time to play can find Spike Rush to be a more convenient environment. Spike Rush often attracts more casual players who are looking for quick and fun matches rather than the intense competitive matches found in standard game modes. This can make the gameplay experience more relaxed and enjoyable for some players. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.